Welcome back to Condiment Country. We are making aioli, a traditional aioli, and then we're going to make mayonnaise. What you're going to get in the grocery store, what they call an aioli, is actually a garlic mayo. What we're going to do today is we're going to walk through making a traditional Spanish aioli. What the 4 ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need garlic, you're going to need lemon, you're going to need olive oil, and you're going to need salt. That's it. So what we're going to do, first things first, we're going to take our 2 cloves of garlic. Now, the important thing to do with your garlic, especially when making an aioli like this, is to cut it in half. What you're going to look for is in the center of the garlic. If you have a green tip poking out the top, that means your garlic is sprouting. Sprouting garlic is going to give the aioli a flavor that you really don't want. It's going to also increase your chances of burping. What we're going to do is we're also going to start, we're just going to help our mortar and pestle by quickly chopping up the garlic. We're going to take some good salts. This is our Malden salt, the nice big flakes of salt. And we're going to add that to the mortar and pestle. So what that's going to do is it's going to act like an abrasive. So we're chucking some sandpaper in here basically, and it's going to help make our garlic mixture, turn it into more of a powder. Not a powder, a paste, a puree. What am I saying? We're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze it in here so I don't have to use my hand. As I found a few cuts, we use about half a teaspoon of lemon juice and continue to mix. Now, aioli in a mortar and pestle is going to take time. This isn't something you just dump your oil in, mix it, and there you go. Making a emulsification needs to be done slowly, especially at the beginning. So what we're going to do is I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So when we do our mayonnaise, we're going to use vegetable oil. It's not going to season the mayonnaise in terms of flavor, but this is going to give the aioli beautiful flavor. Time to bring out the big guns. Let's move it into our bowl, and we're gonna give it a good whisk, because at this point our garlic and everything is well pureed. We're gonna take a towel underneath. I may have added a little extra lemon juice, which is why it's not coming together so quickly. There you go. Now you can see it coming together. That's delicious. Awesome. You're getting that vibrance from the garlic vibrating in your mouth. That over some roasted potatoes would be next level delicious. So, we've got our aioli. Let's move on to Mayo Town. What we have in this bowl is 1 egg yolk. These are beautiful egg yolks, free-run eggs. You can see the color on it. Then what I've done is I've added a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and just a touch of lemon juice. Then I'm going to use our microplane, one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, and we're going to do a little bit of garlic because we're going to make a garlic mayo. So that's going to go in. I used about 1/2 of a large clove. And we're going to start whisking. So we're going to season it up with a little bit of salt. We're going to get it going with a little bit of our fresh roasted cracked black pepper. Ready to go. We're going to add a tiny bit of oil up front. Make sure it's whisked in really well. So there you have it, 2 different ways of making great sauces. Mayonnaise, aioli. Buon appetito. Let's figure out what to put these things on.